Oh yeah, special delivery right here, folks. Woo! 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 Mail everywhere. I hope none of it's breakable like that candle. We get some Legos, maybe some hot tamales. Coming on in. Aunt Dorothy's still running good. She's power braking good. She's good. She still needs a new owner. So if you're interested, check out the description of this video. Send me an email. I don't want to hold on to her forever, but I ain't gonna give her away, so quit asking me to give it away. I just turned into one of those guys on Facebook Marketplace, didn't I?
I'm not gonna give this away. I know what I have here.
Y'all are keeping my P.O. box full. Screw it. I'll consider the travel all a wagon. I'm like Mr. Wagon now. Y'all need to keep telling everyone to hop on the old Puddin wagon and let's keep growing the channel. Just hit 40,000 subscribers today. Thank you guys. So I know I usually trickle in the old mail time whenever we do my videos. I'll be honest with you guys. Yesterday I worked on the travel, had to just do a little bit of stuff on the interior. I still got to buff the paint. I had to fix a little bit of sheet metal stuff in there. Had to troubleshoot my rear AC. Just do some things to get it ready for it to go to the interior shop. And I didn't record. One, it is nice sometimes to be able to work and not just talk to a camera and hold it and everything. Not that I mind doing that for you guys. For two, if I posted a video called welding up 3 holes in the interior of the travel and matching paint, only, 300 of y'all would have watched it. No one watches build stuff. It's hard to get people to watch build videos. I'm trying to get y'all involved with my build videos, even if it's like the push bar for the Corolla, because we can put the same humor in them. But y'all need to watch every video I post. By the end of this video, I'll be below 40,000 subscribers again. So I haven't recorded the big video yet. I'm gonna do that this weekend, but look at all this mail. So, one, this is a lot of mail to throw into another video, but two, I've had like 1 million emails. Everyone wants to know if I got their package or not. So, I want to be able to answer their question. And then three, I'm not good at keeping surprises. That didn't make sense, did it? I'm not good at waiting for surprises. I'm not good at giving presents. I'm not keeping a secret, okay? I can't do it. So I don't want to wait until this weekend to open this stuff. I'm gonna turn that camera and try to keep y'all from the damn highway noise. Puddin, enjoy your gift. If you don't, drink a fifth. From Big Brad, YouTube, Blacktop Titans. Well, I won't be hitting no fifth, but I will drink a PBR. And man, y'all are sending me some legit, heavy, nice quality tripods. And one day, if I quit working with one camera, y'all see me at the junkyards and down back at my dad's where I set it up, then I gotta run off. Imagine one day I had enough cameras and tripods that I could just set them all up and drive. The problem with all that is then you got that many memory cards, and I like dealing with one memory card. So I'll keep jogging, but we're good on tripods. I got one in inventory already. Now we got 2, and I'm freaking pumped because I break these things quite often, and it's one of those little annoying things that you gotta keep buying, but now I don't, because we got 2 of them waiting. We got Mama Giraffe Legs holding you up right now. This is from Country Boy Gas Garage. He sent me a sticker already. So he sent me some more stickers, different style. We're gonna put this on the cabinet of wonders in a minute. Thank you, Country Boy Gas Garage. Let's go with the one I thought was Legos or hot tamales. It's not Legos or hot tamales. Carburetor and vac. We got some vacuum plugs. I guess he didn't like seeing me bend that piece of vacuum hose over and tape it to create a vacuum plug. Or maybe he just thought he'd be nice, which is very nice, because guess what? I still haven't bought any, but now I got some. If I tried to read your name, I'm gonna butcher it. Ignacio? Ignacio Cruz. Sorry, I'm trying. Damn! Look at that. Look at all them alligator clips. So are you saying you're tired of seeing me twist wires together? Telling y'all send me all this good stuff. It's just gonna take the struggle out of my video. I'm still gonna have to do my redneck stuff for entertainment and then go back and do proper stuff. There's no note on this one. Baby! Baby! Whew. Whoever sent the alligator clips, thank you. No name on this one. Did y'all have one of them dads that could guess everything you got him for Christmas? Like me and my sister, we used to try to trick my dad so bad. No matter the package, tell you exactly what it was. Every damn time. It's a package! Puddins Fab Shop. We really enjoy your channel. We had these wheel cylinders from way back when we had a Datsun Nissan pickup. For some reason, we never used them, and the pickup is long gone. Hoping you can find them useful. They fit a Nissan truck, 520, 521, 620, or 720. Carry and sue. I did not know the wheel cylinders were interchangeable on all of them. Oh, sweet. So they're actually the little brake adjusters where you get in there and you turn on the back and adjust your drag on your drums, which is awesome because actually when we rebuild my old pickup nut truck, the little 620, one of the jobs we're going to be doing on it is going through the brakes again. So we will definitely put these to use. Thank you. Damn, did I just lose a razor blade? That ain't something you just want to leave laying around and lose. Now what in the heck? Oh crocky, I should have known it. Keep up the good shit, Cobber. What does cobber mean? That's a new one. I've never heard that, but I like it. From Central Coast, Australia, from Joe Cooney. Okay, I've tried to do the Australian accent before. I'm not very good at it. I was gonna try to read that message like that, and it ain't gonna happen. I can't do it. I'll be honest, I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do with this. The tow roller could use a new headliner though. I'm just saying. Photo document mailer. I feel like this is gonna be a picture of me during a Park It and Market skit. I've been wrong before though. I was definitely wrong. How freaking awesome is this? Gotta show you something. Well, damn it. I can't find it, but I can tell you what it is. So it's a magazine ad from International C-Series. My wife got it for me for Christmas or my birthday, I don't remember. Either way, I have quite a few art pieces that one day, when I have a bigger shop and I build me an office off of my shop, all this kind of stuff is getting framed and hung up. I promise you this thing will be framed in my office one day. I love it. So that's a big thank you, Michael. I appreciate that. Pretty sure we got a t-shirt here. Come on now. Don't worry, I zip tied it. Speaking of which, we could use some zip ties, damn it. I don't see a name on that one. I know a fella had messaged me on Instagram and asked t-shirt size, so if it's you, thank you. So I don't know if this was from the same person. This one's from William Brooks. Sent you some stuff I know I'm always hunting for. Hope it comes in handy. Look at all these zip ties. So, did you send the zip tie shirt, or was that just coincidence and meant to be? So once again, thank you to everyone who sends stuff. I'm trying to decide how to keep going forward with this mail time. If we're gonna make our own little videos, incorporate them in the bigger videos where I can trickle them in here or there, you know. I'm just kind of feeling it out. Now Aunt Dorothy came in hot. Let's see if she can go out hot. I'm saying there ain't no damn way this thing spins the tires. I don't care if they are smaller than training wheels. It ain't gonna do it. If I was willing to neutral drop it, we could probably get it, but we can't just tear up Aunt Dorothy. She's too good of an old gal. So that's it. I appreciate you guys watching, sending me stuff. Thank you for 40,000 subscribers. Let's keep it going. My goal is within a year, year and a half, possibly be doing this full time, guys. And the sooner I get there, the sooner I can bring y'all more videos. So keep supporting the content and everything. Thank you guys. And yeah, hey, merchandise should be available soon. I should have the shirts in finally. I'm not launching anything until my t-shirts are in, and we'll get those up and available. I'm sure I'm gonna sell out quick because I probably didn't even order enough with as many people are just asking like crazy. So I'm sorry. Hey, one-man show here, one-man show. I work a full-time, got a family, I'm busy. Keep rolling with me, keep rolling with the punches. We're gonna grow this into something great. I'll see you guys next time. I'm on Instagram at Puddins Fab Shop. And do not forget, sitting on your ass will not finish your project. That's right. Quit watching me open mail and go turn a wrench.